Subscribe to Niger's Craziest. Press the bell icon and never miss another video update.
Niger's Craziest does not air the view of any political parties, individuals, or religious group. This show is just for comedy purposes only. It might contain scenes with strong languages, strong satirical humor, links to a relative you might know, and references some may find offensive. If that kind of thing will offend you, Biko, close your browser now and get out of here. Get out of here, man! Shit, I'm saying! Because that's what we did!
Comedians are absolutely insane. That means
What is his name?
Jesus.
Elliot. Hello, Elliot. Elliot. Elliot.
Jesus.
Lift your hands. Lift your hands. Mirakalamasa.
My good God.
Barabasa tabasa. Zete.
Man of is commanding life.
Rise up!
Come
on!
Come on! Hey! Rising! Hey! Rising up! Hey! Jesus! Jesus!
He was dead. He's now alive. Jesus said, now to him who is able to do exceedingly abundantly above all we ask and hope for. Look at him. The coffin is empty.
Jesus!
To the Lord, all I have to say, Jesus, 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 somebody scream! Hey! Lua, 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 lua. Glory, glory, glory. Glory, glory, glory. Glory, glory, glory. Glory, glory, glory. Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. Hey.
Congregation, I want you to look at this extraordinary miracle that the Lord is about to perform.
Yes.
This man was brought here in a coffin. You can see him that he's in a coffin. And this is his brother that brought him here.
I'm not brother, family member.
This is his family member that brought him here. My brother, how long has your brother been dead?
He died in 5 days.
5 days?
5 days, yes.
Do you believe like Lazarus in the Bible, the Lord can heal?
Can heal.
Can raise him from the dead?
Can raise.
Oh my! Just like the miracle of old. Oh, the Lord is going to perform an extraordinary miracle here. Rabarashoboro Wakanda la Sharapa. Wakanda la Sharapa la papa. Oh my. You spirit of death, you have been defeated 2,000 years ago. Wake up!
Now one wake up. This one I guess you don't got. He very big.
Wake up! Oh my, I know who I'm serving. I know who I'm serving. And it's not going to disappoint me. It's not going to disappoint me. Wake up! Rabasho! Rabasho no Wakanda! Everybody begin to say, praise the Lord. Remove the cotton wool from his nose. You have defeated death.
Yes.
You are healed, my brother. You have defeated death. Death shall not hold you down. Death will not hold you down. Shout, praise the Lord, praise the Lord. Oh, his vocal cord has not been able to shout because he has been in the coffin since.
Yeah, he died for sin.
Oh my.
It's water, actually. Water? You need water.
You need water?
Maybe you are hungry. You can shop everything. You don't bring small food though. Like 17 rats of food. You will shop it.
Oh my! Rabasholo Wakanda. Oh!
Respect. I don't know. I saw white light. I now begin to hear your voice. I hear your voice. You were shouting. So, Pastor, that's why I just come back. But Pastor, you wasted time. This thing almost blocked my nose. I was finding it hard to breathe. Next time now, you should try and cut it. Not do the
Pastor, what I'm trying to say is true. Because I'm feeling somehow that he can die fast. But what will help him now is he needs to shop. He's hungry. But this one, you know the shop plenty. You like 17 wraps of fufu. Yes, you know the shop.
It's good. You were dead before.
Yes.
Now you have resurrected, so you need to eat.
My Jesus. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Look what the Lord is doing. My good God. Jesus. Jesus is Lord.
Blessings,
Jesus is Lord.
blessings, 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 favor, 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 favor.
No, Pastor, now I say my enemies are dead before.
Okay, your enemies because you have defeated death.
Yes.
Yes, that's good.
That's it.
Church, praise the Lord.
Very faster.
No, but Pastor, it's you that defeated it, just in case.
Okay.
Of, you know.
Hey, please, my money is very important. My balance. You know, the voice is different. I say it's my family member. And me, I'm speaking like an outside. He's talking another something. So everything is
You get your money. You get your money. You get your both of you.
I will not shout. I will not shout.
Both of you will get the money. Don't shout. Go.
Yeah.
Praise the Lord. Church members, if you have anybody that is dead in your family, bring him here.
What?
The spirit will raise him up.
You want to go and stay at the office?
Of course, I'll see you when I come.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is this thing.
Well, that's why your name be half local, half human being, half cow. You're crazy, they crazy, no get sense. It is if you fool somebody like us. It's only your foolish member, now you go fool. They are because they don't have sense of reasoning or sense of sin. They don't have sight. Because you need to have poor sight. Do for your physical one, the spiritual one. You don't have anyone. How can you be fooling somebody? Okay, if it's shown for you that you can resurrection people, why can't you go to mortuary and go and resurrection their bodies? It's only one somebody. The whole this year now. Now only one somebody don't die for your area, or for your church, or for everywhere. You are planning your strategies of the next somebody will perform miracle is a dead body. The next one is maybe a person where I don't blind. Nonsense somebody. It is say he can foolish us like us. We see, if you put the whole...
Hey, you can see yourself. Pastor Alf Lukau. When we talk now, they will say we talk too much, we are talking anyhow, we talk anyhow. See, God will punish you. You are proud and you are, in fact, you are worse than Bushiri. Because at least we know Bushiri is stupid with his stupid miracles. Your own, you could not even get somebody that is a good actor. He's dead. Inside the coffin, his mouth is opening. Look at it. Look at the coffin. Look at him. You people have locked this young man inside this place for a... See, somebody tried this same miracle somewhere in Nigeria, and the person died because there was no air entering the coffin. I'm guessing you people drilled hole in your own coffin so that air can enter. But this young man you used to act this miracle, you should not pay him because his mouth is already moving before the spirit, before you start to pray, and you say you are a pastor. But Afluka, you are not a pastor. You are not a man of God. You are a man of the gods. A man of the South African gods, all those Sangoma, all those things, that's what you are. There's nothing differentiating you from Bushiri. You're all the same. All the same, one ship now carry you.
Aflukau, I don't really have much to say to you. But I'm just surprised because you're really deceiving a lot of people. You know, because, how will I put this now? If you want to deceive people, plan it well, structure it well. Learn from the likes of TB Joshua, you know, Tontolike's pastor. You know, learn from people like that. Now you brought somebody to raise from the dead. The person is already breathing. The person hits don't kill him. For inside the car, if he breathe again. Even this small way we act for you. As I block my nose, oh boy, he had. So you can't lock person inside coffin. Of course, he needs hair. When you first open them, if for at least make camera block, make people stand block and make him breathe small. Before you can't do your shabarabara. And what the fuck is that? What is this? What's it mean that? If you want to heal people, come to Nigeria. People will then shoot for head. Raise them up from death, might see. Then I will believe you. Even this one, somebody cannot believe because the mouth don't they move already. I always tell you people, take your cast, your actors, put them to school. Pepsi is not that cost, even if they are not good. They are okay, it's manageable. Take them to acting school. Take them to Emeka Ike to teach them. Invite Emeka Ike to have a seminar, acting seminar. Groom them well. They will act very well for you. Even you too, you won't believe this, the fake miracle you are pulling. Because they will become good actors. If you cannot send them to acting school, write application to Lafmayo. They will bring Toothpick for you. He's a good actor. He's very good. Come to Nigeria. Come and watch this thing on GSTV. Toothpick is a fucking good actor. He will act this thing better. It's even paining him. I'm sure he's very angry because he knows he can act this thing very well. You now brought somebody that cannot act. I believe you can raise people from the dead. Yes, it's good. But are they dead yet? He never die. As Toothpick said, now only this man don't die for your church. What of other people don't die? Please. I don't have anything. It's a good performance. I love it. It's nice. I'm a critic. So when I say a good performance, I appreciate it. It's a wonderful performance. The coffee was on point, you know, very clean. This thing was on point. Your suit, your check, your cameraman. Is your cameraman I will blame because they shouldn't have captured when he was trying to breathe with his mouth. That's the only error. Don't feel bad. Even in Hollywood, watch Ant-Man, they do mistake. Watch Boo, Media, Part 2, they do mistake. So if you do mistake, it's good. You learn from your mistake. At least now you know that if you want to act it again, you need a better cast and good cameraman and a good director too. That would, you know, cause everything will be, you know, you act it well.
Next time you want to perform miracle, go to Mansuari. Go and wake them bodies. When you wake them bodies that died for 3 days, you bury them, then I know you have performed miracle. You see that idiot boy, that one don't kill your career for you. I don't know why go and open your mouth. Next one he close. Next one, now because they do open now and close, now he kill you finish. Next time want to play original actor, somebody I can act very well, somebody I don't die before, he go die for the rest of his life. Nonsense. You no go do fake miracle again. If you want to do miracle that fake, do the one that is not obvious. The one that somebody will not see and say, this is fake. A lot of Nigerians now, they don't castigation you. They have castigation you everywhere. They say this man is fake. So nobody will come to your church. Like me now, will not come. Because you can say somebody come and do another something now. Me, I will not come. You're a fake man. You're a fake human being. Half look cow, half human being, half cow. Now you be. It's about get on for you like this. On. Can't get it way long. The case. Nonsense. I will not swear for you. I will not swear for you. But you are just destroying people's life. You are a prophet that deceiving people. Keep deceiving people there. It is God that will judge you at the end of the day. Me, I'm not judging you. But stop doing fake things. Fake things will not make you go heaven. Because our riches on this world and everything there in this world will end one day. you carry the ration go heaven. The people you are deceived, go and give account stable of them to God.